Hello. Okay, it's nighttime, and I caved in because I caved in. I got all the parts that I think I need, which are power steering hose that had leaked. It had a hole in it. A brake hose that has a leak in it. I almost ran into cars. It was bad. And I got brake pads for the front, and I even finally got the brake pads, shoes for the rear, for the Durango. Because yeah, I shouldn't let $20 just like for each one or whatever. 'Cause it's safety that you should worry about. Yeah, and I should, so here's a tire. I took it off already. Here's all the oil. And, let's see, look at all that oil. Oh, that's vegetable oil. Vegetable oil. Vegetable. I know. I'm a doofus. But, and like there's no protection from splashes and stuff like that to the engine, which is a good engine. It's lasted quite a while. Yeah. I need to take this off. I was thinking about using the power thing because I have to do all the wheels, and so I was thinking about putting in a compressor and using one of those what you call it, power guns or whatever, so I can get through all 4 tires as quickly as possible. And, because it's a pain doing all the nuts and stuff like that. And I should do that. Okay, great. Let's see. These nuts are almost done. I should go plug in the compressor and get the hose. I gotta get the hose and the gun, and I can go a little bit faster, hopefully, so I can do this brake job. And I have to do the power hose, brake hose, power steering hose. Dun, dun, dun. Cool. You can do everything. I'll show you whatever tips I do, or whenever I get to it. These lights, 2 of the lights are off. For this power, but I need more. I don't know. The brake shoe is good. I'm pretty sure. Brake rotor. I should put grease on those. What do we call it? On the bearings. All right, great. Okay. Oh, it's still recording. Yep.